GSM 900 based alerting system. See, we can see this is GSM 900. By inserting the SIM in it, then we can send the message and calls to our below loved ones when we are in the danger. So by using this GSM, and now we are going to use the Arduino, Arduino with button. Let's see how we will get an alert. I started screen recording in my mobile. Let us see. I just press the button. So when I press the button, we need to check the whether the GSM is connected to network or not. So we can see I got the message from my mother. So and I am getting the call from my mother as well. So the warning is she is in danger. So we can observe the call as well. Yeah. After some time it will be disconnected.